Hello, I'm Alice and I'm going to talk to you about the insulated side hinge garage doors. These doors come in a 40mm thick insulated panel. There is a large choice of colours and texture. You can have smooth, wood grain, and you can have a wood effect as well. Reasons for choosing this type of door. You find that it only opens outwards. This is useful for when you use your garage as an office or a gym, not to put the car in it, as many of us don't. For the freezer, you can have this leaf 2/3 of the size of the opening, and this leaf can be 1/3. The whole of this installation opens outwards, so nothing intrudes upon the room. So, for example, if you have a meter which is inside your garage and it may get in the way of an intruding garage door, then this is the door for you. Also inclusive are hinge bolts, which prevent criminal lifting of the door leaf and keep it fixed in place. As you can see here, we have the lever handle on the inside and the ability to lock the door with a key here and remove it. These particular door leaves are laid out horizontally. Each sectional panel starts here, stops here, and this is the horizontal layout. There is an option of having these laid out in a vertical manner, which we will go to now. So this door is laid out in a vertical way. Each panel is this wide, and this is an option that you can have. As you can see, we have a different colour here. This is a smooth powder coat. This particular door has 3-point locking, which is an added security benefit, as you can see here. Now, as I was saying earlier, you have the choice of having a 2/3 side and a 1/3. This side you can lock in place. So I've just released this one. And you can choose not to release it at all for weeks on end and go in and out of your garage using the small pedestrian door. Each door can come with windows. They can be vertically aligned, they can be full length, or quite often people prefer to have them across the top here, and you can have them in toughened glass, polycarbonate and double glazed if you prefer. All these doors come with a 60mm inclusive factory fitted frame. It's steel, it's a box frame, and it's powder coated to match the door. In this instance, to match the door, you can have an alternative colour if you choose. This one here is the same as the door, and as you can also see, we have finished this door the way that we would finish it if we were installing it for you. So all in all, if you choose to have your garage as a gym or a playroom, this is the door for you.